In this video, we will show you how to make paper lanterns. Okay, you will find 4 pages with margins, 4 pages without margins, and 4 strips of paper. You will also need clear tape or hot glue and scissors. We included enough material in each kit for 4 lanterns so that you can try a few different techniques and perhaps experiment with your own designs. The first thing you'll need to do is roll one of the smaller pages without margins into a cylinder and attach both ends using clear tape or hot glue. Now I'll show you 3 different design ideas. The first is single lines. Take one of the larger pages with margins and fold it in half to make a long rectangle. Cut vertical lines. You can cut the lines close together or farther apart. Just make sure not to cut into the margins. Roll the cut page around the cylinder you rolled earlier. Attach with clear tape or glue. Depending on your design, it might take some fiddling and unfolding and refolding of the paper to make it fit around the cylinder. To create the handle, use tape or hot glue to attach each end of one of the strips of paper to the inside of the cylinder. The second design idea are low single lines. It's the same as the single lines, except for folding the larger piece of paper with margins in half, you're going to fold it just part way. Again, make sure not to cut into the margins. The third design idea is double lines. Fold the page in half and then fold each half in half again. Cut lines on the folds, making sure not to cut the margins. And this is to make wrapping the paper around the cylinder a bit easier. You can refold the center half in the opposite direction. This will just make it easier to wrap around the cylinder.